In a world that moves too fast, there is a space that waits for you, where the sunlight lingers longer and the air feels lighter. This is your Mindful Scandinavian home. The entryway greets you softly. A bench for removing shoes, a single vase of dried flowers, and a simple coat hook. Each element says, "You've arrived." It is both a beginning and an end to your daily journey. Here, the living room is a soft embrace at the end of a long day. Gentle linen curtains sway with the breeze, while a textured rug anchors the space in warmth. Every detail whispers, "You are safe here," from the wooden coffee table with its honest grain to the muted tones that quiet the mind. This is a space for tea, for laughter, for slow afternoons where time seems to melt. The kitchen hums with quiet purpose. White cabinetry blends seamlessly with warm wooden counters, while open shelves display only what is needed and loved. Preparing a meal here feels less like a task and more like an act of care, a meditation in movement. The bathroom is a ritual in itself, a small temple for renewal. Warm wood shelves hold soft towels, and a ceramic sink rests like a sculpture on a stone countertop. The muted tiles invite quiet moments of self-care, where the day begins and ends with intention. In the dining room, connection takes center stage. A solid wood table stands quietly, surrounded by simple chairs that invite lingering conversations. The soft glow of a pendant light turns every meal into a moment worth savoring. The bedroom feels like a quiet exhale. Crisp white bedding meets a soft wool throw, while the gentle curve of the headboard invites you to rest. Natural wood tones soften the cool light of dawn, making mornings gentle and nights a little more peaceful. Here, sleep isn't rushed, it's honored. The workspace is where focus and calm meet. A slim wooden desk faces a window, inviting natural light and fresh air. Clutter has no place here, only the tools that support your creativity and clarity. The balcony is a breath of fresh air, literally. A small bistro table sits under the open sky, surrounded by planters spilling with greenery. Here, morning coffee tastes richer, and the evening breeze carries away the day's weight. When your home becomes more than a place, when it begins to breathe with you and remind you every day that peace is not found in faraway lands. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more serene home inspirations.